Okay, so this is a family compound in Ethiopia, and I'm going to show you where the coffee is grown. So this is the family home. If we walk through here, we have a small hut for the animals. Here's one. Hello. And another hut for animals. And just look to your left, find the first coffee, or they call it, in Ethiopia they call it buna. So some green beans. And we come through this way, more buna, more buna, more buna. Hello.
Hello.
Shalom.
Yes.
This way.
Hello.
Nearly there. To the red beans. Here we go. So here's one that's been in the sun. Has some beans ready to harvest. So there are a couple in here that are ripe. Hello. And here's one, so right in the sun. And notice the shade trees on the right here. Underneath the shade trees, the coffee plants are much healthier. At the moment, there aren't many. There are a few red ones here. But yeah, they're a lot healthier in the shade. Things you read in the books, but seeing it firsthand is very different. Hopefully this video is the same. Aha, thank you. So, shalom. Salam. Salam.
Salam.
Salam. Salam. Thank you. Oh, thank you. All right. So over and out from Ethiopia.